Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave me one dege, just a little bit of like, and subscribe for other amazing content. Alright, coming your way. And if you know a video what you want me to do, just leave it in the comment section. Alright, if you have a nice recipe at home and you want to share it with your girl, let me know in the comment section. Alright, let's get into this video and give me lots of thumbs up, okay guys? Alright. Now my peeps, this is my creation, my recipe. I don't know, maybe people have done it before, but anyhow, this is my way and my style. I'm gonna make a banana coconut nut bread, and this I'm gonna use some walnut. Okay, all right. Oopsie. So now my peeps, we're gonna sieve all the dry ingredients. Okay, I have a cup and a half of all-purpose flour. This is my baking soda. I'm gonna go in with 1/4 teaspoon. And this is my baking powder. I'm gonna add 1.5. One. This is the half. So 1.5 teaspoon of my baking powder. We're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon salt. We're gonna go in with 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg. I'm gonna go in with 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. And that's it for the dry ingredients, guys. We're just gonna sieve this away. Sieving it kind of mix everything together and make the dry mixture become light and fluffy and airy. All right my peeps, we're just gonna put this aside for a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna peel 2 fingers of ripe banana. These are big bananas. You can use 3 if you want. I'm gonna put just 1/3 because I'm not gonna make it sweet today. Oopsie. So that's it. But as I said before, if you like it sweet, go ahead and put about 1/2 up to 3/4 cup, or even 1 cup. It's up to you, okay? But I don't want mine to be sweet today. All right, so on that now, I'm gonna put everything, and you notice I'm working with the 1/3 thing. All right, we're gonna put 1/3 cup of olive oil. Oh, and this is my cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. You can use melted butter, but olive oil is the healthier choice, guys. Good for your heart. All right, pour it there. Now we're just gonna mush everything together. All right. All right my peeps, so I like it like this. Leave little pieces of chunks in it. And over here I have 2 medium-sized eggs. All right, I'm gonna break them. Here's a little piece of trash in it. We're gonna go get it because we don't want no trash in it. All right, and this is what I like to do with my eggs. Okay, I like to go in like this and take out the whites, otherwise called chalaza. Sometimes it's hard. Oopsie. There. Or some people said it's the eye, so however you want to call it. I'm gonna remove all of them because I think that's what makes the eggs raw too. It's up to you. You don't have to remove it. Hey. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of, about a teaspoon of lemon juice. You can use the zest. That kind of take away the rawness. Give this a little beat. So we go in with our 2 eggs there. I have 1/3 cup of coconut milk again. This is just the powder one and I mix it out, but you can use any one of your choice. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All right. This is my vanilla. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. You can measure it. 1 teaspoon almond extract. This is 1/3 cup of walnuts. I just beat it a little bit so it becomes mince like. Okay, I'm gonna add that in. And this is my coconut flakes. This is a sweetened one. You can use the unsweetened. And I'm gonna go in with 1/3 again. You can use 1/2 cup, okay? It's up to you. But I don't want to overdo it, okay? I'm just making 1. Clean out it. Now leave nothing in there. That's all there is, okay? I'm gonna go in and give this a good little mix, okay? All right, when you get everything mixed up like this, we're just gonna gradually add the flour. I'm gonna add it in like 2 portions. And that's it, guys. All right, I'm just gonna use my little spatula here just to clean it up and give it a good mix. Make sure I go down in the bottom. See, guys, this is the texture you want. My bread pan, and I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil in the bottom. I'm gonna grease it, grease up to the sides, okay? Don't forget about the sides. You can go ahead and dust it with a little flour and you can pour the mixture in, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of greaseproof paper. I just had to cut it a little bit smaller. So I'm just putting a piece of greaseproof paper here in the bottom, something like so. All right, and you go ahead and you just scoop that in. This is just enough for 1 bread. You can say cake if you want, coconut, banana coconut cake, or bread. It's up to you. Don't bother take me and leave all of this now, guys. Take out all the goodness. We're just gonna shake, shake, and tap, tap, tap. Make sure all the air bubbles are out. I'm gonna grab a little bit of my coconut flakes and I'm just gonna put it on top. Not too much, just a little bit. I'm gonna pop this in the oven for about an hour. I just took it out, and you want to leave it in there for about 1 hour and 10 minutes or so, okay? Or until when you insert, whatever you insert, it comes up clear, you're good to go. Now I have some honey. I'm just gonna make a nice glaze for the top. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon, not much, just like that, while it's still hot. You don't really have to melt the honey because the bread is hot, and you're just gonna do like this, coat the top, and this is my glaze for the top. This is how nice it is. So you don't want to put too much. All right, my peeps, I'll be back. All right, my peeps, I'm back. It's still warm somewhat, but it's somewhat cool. So we're gonna cut into this bad boy. All right. Oh, it smells so good. All right. Can you see this, guys? Can you see it? Yeah. let's cut into it. Okay. Oh my guys, I always tell you I make the best banana bread. I just come a little bit closer so you can see it. You see why I say I made the best banana bread? Yeah, it's so good, super light, super soft. All right, and that's it for you guys. Yes, yes. See my nuts and my coconut. Super soft. Oh my goodness. And moist at the same time. All right, my peeps, I think I'm just gonna taste this part for you. I can't wait. Oh my man. Guys, and it's not sweet. Oh my goodness. I like it like this when it's not sweet. But if you want it really sweet, you can add another quarter to half cup of sugar. And you notice I use olive oil, right? Super healthy, super good. Bye guys.